Hi guys, I will show you today how to change or how to replace the Toyota Prius 2011 Smart Key battery. You need a scissor or something to just open the battery pack, and there is a button which is written push here, so you just need to push this and take out the key. And this is the key which fits here to open. So you can see the battery inside here, and you need something to just take out the battery, like, and there's written like CR1632. So we need to open the battery. And you can just fit it here inside. It's sitting correctly, and now you can just close it the same way. And put the key, place the key back, and now it works fine.